Hi guys and welcome to today's video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Katie. I am an English Lit and Philosophy student from London and I create university style videos and also beauty videos on my channel too. So if you do like that kind of thing, please do make sure you subscribe, it would mean the world to me. In today's video I am going to talk through my top 5 study essentials that you need for uni. So my first study essential is highlighters, and I've just got this little cute pack of pastel coloured highlighters from Stabilo, but obviously you can use whatever kind of highlighters you like. I also like the standard yellow, just again the Stabilo ones, but these ones are really cute and I actually use these in my bullet journal too, so if you want something a little bit different, these ones are really cute and they're nice colours. Number 2 is notes. So these ones are just from Wilko and they're in like a nice little packet, and you get the individual colour strips down below, which I use for tagging up my English literature books and also any philosophy articles that I need to read. But you also get the handy little sticky ones, which I have a strip on my desk that I just stick kind of like to do things on, so that's a really handy thing to have for that. I just think notes are just handy in everyday life when you're trying to organise yourself, especially when you're organising yourself with different texts, whether that's in a book or like printed out on paper. Number 3 is something I'm not going to physically show you because it is way too heavy, but it is a printer. When I'm writing my essays and I'm trying to find reference material, I look on my uni library website. I do have a video about writing university essays, which I shall link down below for you, but I find it so helpful just to print out all of those things rather than just looking at them online. I don't really find that stuff on the computer really goes into my brain much. I like to have physical things that I can highlight. I really recommend you just get a cheap printer, even if it's just a black and white one, because I found mine so useful since being here. Number 4 is kind of again in the sticky note situation, but is to-do list kind of pads. So this one is from Skinny Dip and I got it in, they had a pop-up store in Cardiff. I just think these ones are really cute. So it's like, consider it almost done is the big long list, and then you've got important but not to me, and then also seriously. But I just use this for writing everything that I need to do, whether it be essays, YouTube stuff, just general life admin as well, and I find it really handy just to have like a physical list I can tick off, because I kind of forget about any lists that I make on my phone. I really think that having a physical list, especially if you can stick it up around your room somewhere, is really helpful, and that's actually something that I haven't done before this year, but definitely a habit that I will be taking into my future years at uni and most likely future years of life in general. My last one is not necessarily essential, but I always think it's fun to have, and if you love stationery you'll most likely already have these things. I hear a train coming, so I'm going to shush for a minute. And that is coloured Fineliners, because it's always fun to do your revision notes in different colours. So I've just got the pack from Dattler. I don't know how you say that, it is German, and anyone who took German with me in year 8 and 9 will know that I wasn't very good at it. But it's just 20 colours, and I find these really helpful for making revision notes just a little bit more interesting than just writing down in black pen. As I said, if you do love stationery, I'm sure you already had these. I personally didn't have anything like this when I was doing GCSEs and A-level. I actually had like felt tip pens instead, but these are definitely a lot handier as you can write in thinner lines. Okay, that is my top 5 study essentials that I think you should take to uni. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I said before, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed, if you did, and please leave a comment down below if you have any study essentials that you think people should take to uni too. And I will see you in my next video.